Hello students, welcome back with the new lecture, that is lecture number 3 of chapter 1, that is integers. Hope you all have gone through the second lecture, and if not, please go through it, as the exercise 1.1 is related to that topic. So students, let us start with our exercise 1.1, question number 1. Students, let me read out the question first. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. See, following number line, they are showing us the number line. The number line is given to you in your textbook also. The PDF which I have sent you, it also shows the number line. The number line shows the numbers which is shown on the number line. It is the degree Celsius. It is showing the temperature of particular place at a particular day. At some day, they are showing the temperature of Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty, Bangalore. See students, while watching on a number line, you can see 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and some of the smaller dashes. The smaller dashes is the degree 1, 2, 3, 4 and the bigger one is 5. Then again 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and so on. If we are going to the left side, it is -1, -2, -3, -4 and the bigger one -5. Now hope you all have understood this question. Now they are asking us 4 answers for this question. Let us see one by one. The first one is A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. What they are telling us? They told us to observe the number line. So we are observing the number line, and what they told, and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So I have already written the name of the places. Name of the places is Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty, Bangalore. And write the temperature of the places marked on it. So let us see one by one. Lahul Spiti, what the temperature it is given? It is given over here. So from 0 towards the left side, -5, -6, -7 and -8. So the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Then comes Srinagar. Let us see where is Srinagar. It is on the left hand side, but two small places, 1 and 2. So it is -2 degree Celsius. Then Simla is on 5 degree. So I am writing 5 degree Celsius. Now Ooty is on 11, 12, 13 and 14 degree Celsius. Then Bangalore. See, Bangalore is on 20, after 20, 21 and 22 degree Celsius. Now students, let us move to the next portion, that is question number B of question number 1. The question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. See students, they have asked us the temperature difference. First thing, temperature difference means minus of the temperature. Wherever they have given you difference in mathematics language, difference is to subtract. Now to subtract between what? Hottest and the coldest places. Now students, we all know place whose temperature is highest in degree Celsius will be the hottest one. Okay, so here which is the highest degree Celsius? It is Bangalore. So we have to subtract 22. We have to subtract the lowest is Lahul Spiti. We have to subtract -8 from 22. So I have written from the question itself the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places. The hottest one is 22 degree Celsius. Now what they want us to do? They want us to do difference. Difference is minus. From which? From coldest. So coldest one is -8 degree Celsius. Now if you have gone through the second video lecture, you have known how to you know how to calculate now. Here it is subtraction of two integers. While subtracting two integers, what we do? We keep the first as it is, then add the additive inverse of the second. Additive inverse of -8 is 8. So the difference is 30 degree Celsius. Understood students? So the difference is 30 degree Celsius. If you didn't understood the calculation, please watch the second video lecture. Now we are moving to the third question. The third question is question number C. Let me first read out the question. What is the temperature difference? See, again they have asked us difference. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to subtract between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Let us see which place is on the right side of the number line. Here Srinagar is on the right side, then Lahul Spiti. So we will write first the temperature of Srinagar. Srinagar is -2. What they have asked us to do? They have asked us to carry out the difference of the two places. So I have written Srinagar. Now what I have to do? I have to do subtract and the temperature of Lahul Spiti. -2 subtraction because of difference and the temperature of Lahul Spiti. Let me take it to the next page. So -2 subtraction and -8 will give us, I will write first term as it is, first number as it is, then convert this to addition and then additive inverse of -8. Additive inverse of -8 is 8. Now what we will do? We will add two integers. While adding two integers with the unlike sign, what we do? We subtract and put the larger numbers sign. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and which is the largest integer? 8. We will put the sign of the 8. So it is -6 degree Celsius. Fourth question, that is question number D. What they are asking, let me first read out. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Okay, let me first go through this one only, the first question, and then I will come to the next question. What they are asking, let me say, let me take first this question. Okay, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together? So let us write the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. What is the temperature of Simla and Srinagar? Let us see backward. Srinagar is -2 and Simla is 5. So Srinagar is -2 and Simla is 5. Let me check if I have not make any error. Okay, it is -2 and 5. Now we are adding two integers. While adding two integers with the unlike signs, what we do? We subtract 5 minus 2 is 3 and put the larger integers sign, that is plus sign. So this is 3 degree Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. And what is the temperature of Simla? It is 5 degree Celsius. Now what? Again, the question is not solved yet. What they had asked us, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together? What is temperature of Simla and Srinagar together? 3 degree Celsius. Is less than the temperature of Simla? Yes, it is 5 degree and they are both temperature together is 3 degree. So it is less than 5 degree Celsius. Therefore, we can say, therefore, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than, is Simla taken together, sorry, I forgot it to write over here, taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. Hope you all have understood the first question. Now let us move to the next question. Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Okay, is this also, that is Srinagar and Simla's temperature if taken together is also less than Srinagar? And what is the Srinagar's temperature? It is -2 degree Celsius. So I have written now temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. Now let us compare. What they have asked, is it also less than temperature of Srinagar? Whose temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together? What is it? 3 degree Celsius. Is it less than -2? No, it is greater than -2. It is greater than -2. So we will write, therefore the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Temperature, I am writing it in the short form TEMP dot. If you write like this, it means temperature. Hope you all have understood the first question and its 4 parts. Let us move to the second question. The second question is, In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. That is, if you are giving the correct answer, you will get the positive marks, plus marks. And if you are giving incorrect answers, you will get minus marks. Now the question is, if Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Jack is one student. He played this quiz competition, and in 5 successive rounds, that is in first round, he got this much, second, third, fourth and fifth round. So what is his total score at the end? Let us solve. What it is given? It is given Jack's score for first round. How much is in first round? 25 marks. In second round, -5. Third, -10. Fourth, 15 marks. And fifth round, 10 marks. So now what will be the total score? Let us put it together and add them. 25 plus, we are supposed to add 25 minus 5. Please put the negative integers inside the bracket. Plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now take the negative integers one side and positive integer one side. So we will take 25, 15 and 10 together. We are taking 25 plus 15 plus 10, and then we are taking minus, how much was it? -5 plus -10. Now we will add them. First add the positive integers. 25 plus 15 will give me 25 plus 5 30 plus 10 40 plus 10 50, and now I am adding minus integers. They are having the same sign, so we will add them first. 5 plus 10 is 15, so it is -15, and give the common sign. Now 50, we are adding 50 and -15. We know the rule, second rule, that is subtract the numerical number and give the larger integers sign. So 50 minus 15 is 35, and the larger integer is having plus, so it is 35. The score, hence the total score of Jack was 35. Hope you have understood this question. Now let us move to the next question, that is the last question of today's lecture. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. On Monday, the temperature of Srinagar is -5, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. On Tuesday, it dropped. It dropped means it became less. How much less? 2 degrees Celsius less on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Let us first solve these 3 lines. They have asked us what is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Let us go through the question, how to write. We will write same thing. At Srinagar, temperature on Monday was how much? -5 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature dropped 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. They have given us the temperature dropped 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So what we have to do to find out what is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? We have to add them. So therefore temperature on Tuesday will be -5 it was on Sunday, plus -2 on Tuesday. We are adding them. While adding two integers with the same sign, what we do? We add the numerical value, that is 5 plus 2, 7, and give the common sign, that is -7 degree Celsius. Now let us move to the next question. What it is telling us, asking us to do. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, it increased. Rose means increase by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? That is on Wednesday. On this day means on Wednesday. We have to find the temperature on Wednesday. Now, till Tuesday we know that is it is -7 degrees Celsius. Now, the temperature rose, that is increased 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. So, temperature on Wednesday will be what? Temperature of on Tuesday plus 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on Tuesday? It is -7 degree Celsius plus 4 degree Celsius. So what will be the answer? Now we are adding two integers with the unlike sign. What is so what we do? We subtract 7 minus 4, 3, and we give the larger integer, sign of the larger integer, that is minus. So our answer is the temperature on Wednesday will be -3 degree Celsius. Hope you all have understood this lecture. If not, please go through it once again. We will come back with the remaining question of the exercise 1.1. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.